Are you using Windows 11 on unsupported computer? This video is for you. Hi, my name is Alberto. You are watching me Western channel. On my channel, I cover the whole batch of tech, including computer software reviews, operating system, and all other kind of tech. So don't forget to click the subscribe button on my YouTube page. Also, if you don't mind, can you go and click the like button in order to make my video visible to everyone on YouTube. Let's get started. So back here on the date Windows 11 arrived, Microsoft announced the system requirement for Windows 11 were increased over Windows 10. Microsoft only supports the operating system on device using 8th generation Intel CPU or newer AMD licensed CPU based on. You can install Windows 11 by using ISO file, but it's not a good idea. Is it okay to install Windows 11 on incompatible PC? So we all know Windows 11 is an exciting operating system from all Microsoft fans. So what will happen when you install Windows 11 on incompatible hardware? So the problem began when Windows 11 released the tools that analyzed if your PC was Windows 11 incompatible. However, users can still download the Windows 11 ISO file and install on their old PC by skipping the hardware check altogether. Can your PC learn Windows 11? So people were light confused as Microsoft turned a high-space endgame PC and declared it to unfit learning Windows 11. However, it's turned out Microsoft was not looking on how your powerful hardware is, but the sentence is. This is because modern-day processors have special built-in securities that Microsoft want to use in Windows 11. So will Windows 11 learn on old PC after all? On the other hand, Microsoft have designed Windows 11 to run on specific hardware. This includes using security related in the modern day processors that older models don't have. If Microsoft was to support older hardware, that would mean investigating a lot of time and money into making Windows 11 work on computers likely won't be repressed anyway. So back on our first question, is it okay to learn Windows 11 on incompatible hardware? We have an enjoyable experience of unsupported Windows 11 is likely to help to keep manually updating the drivers. All Windows 11 is simply Windows 10, so you might well stick in your guns. That way you can enjoy the support of updates from Microsoft by using the Windows 10 operating system. When Windows 11 arrived in the first time, I was owning an unsupported laptop. So from the Windows 11, from the advertisement, it seems like to be Windows 11 will be the best operating system. So I decided to install the Windows 11 on my computer. And what happened when I install and using the Windows 11 the few months, is this what happened to my laptop. So we have learned and see that learning Windows 11 on supported laptop is just wasting your time. So what I recommend from all guys who have installed Windows 11 on unsupported laptop or machine or computer is that they should be back on Windows 10 soon. From escaping all the problems and issues which will be forcing them, I recommend you go back and install Windows 10 on your laptop to avoid any kind of distraction which you get from installing your updates on your computer or a laptop or any kind of machine. So today I've shown my experience to help you guys who you are using Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. So I would like to thank all people who have spent their time watching my video. Let me say thanks for spending much your time, and of course don't forget to go and click the subscribe button or like on my YouTube channel.